Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today is Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by those beautiful ladies of elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Every Tuesday, these ladies ask us to decorate a tablescape. Sometimes we have a theme and sometimes it is freestyle. Well, today it is freestyle and we can do a tablescape any color, any style of our choosing. But before we get to that, on the Rodgers House, we give shout outs because we think it's super important to support, motivate, and encourage other inspiring YouTube creators. And today's shout out goes to another Alabama girl, Mabel's Tables. Guys, please go over and support Miss Mabel. She is sweet as she can be. I have not met her personally, but just her sweet demeanor on this platform will make you love her. She has a love for decorating, a love for DIYs, and her love for God will make you just love her even more. So please go over and visit Mabel's Tables and let her know that Felecia from the Rodgers House shouted her out today. So today, the reason why I chose Miss Mabel is because about 5 days ago, she did a beautiful short little vignette on some buffalo check plates. And I love that video. I also love presentation. I think presentation is key. And guess the presentation on this video was so beautiful. That is why I want you to go over and support Miss Mabel. So I'm going to be showing you my Simply Blessed decorated eat-in kitchen area. I didn't just do a tablescape this time. I decorated my whole little eat-in kitchen area. So I'll let you enjoy the video to music. So guests, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Simply Blessed decorated eat-in kitchen area, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.